Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to connect this one hand keyboard to your smart TV. So first go to the TV setting and next go to the device processor and go to about and next go to the build and click on build 7 times and go back and go to the developer option and next go to the USB debugging. Turn on the USB debugging. Now close. And now let's connect this to USB port. So you can see this keyboard is connected, RGB light is coming. But some keyboard do not support the smart TV. So check before buy. Thanks for watching guys. I will be back in next video. So like this video, share, subscribe, bye.